So let's lie on our backs and bend your knees. Put your feet flat on the mat. I see Kohai there again. Hello, Kohai. Right, bend your knees, put your feet flat on the mat, and separate your feet hip width apart. Okay, and once you're there, all I want you to do is trying to let go. Just let everything go. One doesn't realize how much tension you hold. So you want to get the whole back to just fall into the mat. And you'll see where you're holding on. Because if you think very carefully, you want to know whether you have any air under your back. Now, with your knees bent, you should be able to get your whole back on the mat. But of course, if you have a severe lordosis, a big hollow in your lower back, you will not be able to get your back down. And the only way you'll get it down is by trying to tuck and tilt your pelvis. So if you're lying there and you've got some air under your back, a little bit, it's not the end of the world. It will lengthen.